Maya understood only 3 words in the meeting: deadline, client, and her name. Then her manager looked at her. Maya, what do you think? Every face turned. She opened her mouth, but nothing came out. To understand her silence, returned to Maya's first day. She had studied English for years and knew every grammar rule. But office English was different. Fast sentences and unfamiliar expressions. Let's circle back, someone said. Maya smiled as if she understood. Keep me in the loop. She quietly wrote it down. At lunch, she searched the meanings on her phone. On the bus home, she softly practiced every phrase. At the next meeting, words rushed together. Lena asked, "Are you following everything?" Maya wanted to say no. Fear answered first. Of course. She thought one question would make everyone doubt her intelligence. So she carried her confusion silently back to her desk. Then came the most important project of her first month. A client wanted a sales report comparing every region. Daniel explained it, but Maya heard only report and Friday. Can you take ownership of it? He asked. Maya heard herself say, yes, absolutely. At her desk, she stared at the data, remembering fragments. She almost messaged Daniel, then imagined his disappointment. She worked late, creating the report she thought he wanted. Next morning, Daniel displayed her charts to the whole team. He paused. The report showed totals, but no regional changes. Maya, can you explain the regional changes? That was the question that exposed everything. Her hands became cold. I didn't understand the task, she whispered. Maya expected disappointment. Instead, Daniel gently closed his laptop. Thank you for telling me. Not understanding is not failure. He told the team, pretending creates mistakes. Asking creates clarity. Lena smiled. I understood almost nothing during my first month. Maya suddenly realized she was not the only one. Daniel explained again, slowly, using one simple example. Maya said, let me check that I understood. She repeated the instructions in her own words. Daniel nodded. The corrected report was ready that afternoon, and it was excellent. From that day, Maya stopped hiding behind a polite smile. If someone spoke quickly, she asked, could you say that more slowly? If something was unclear, she asked, could you explain what you mean? Before starting, she said, let me check that I understood. Each honest question made her English stronger, not weaker. Soon, her voice steadied, and she began leading meetings herself. A month later, a new employee sat beside her, nodding nervously. Maya immediately recognized the fear she once carried. She whispered, you never have to pretend with me. Finally asked, could you say that more slowly? Maya smiled. That simple question sounded like courage. Remember, could you say that more slowly? Could you explain what you mean? Let me check that I understood. Which expression will you use first? Write it in the comments. Subscribe to English Fix Daily for more powerful English stories.